Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 7 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section let's scroll down and find the apps. Then tap on this three-dot icon in the right upper corner and tap on Special Access. Here we have to localize the option which is called Install Unknown Apps. And here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. So let's pretend I'd like to download another app from Chrome, so from my browser. We have to basically find it in the list and tap on the switcher next to it. And from now on this app is active. However, be aware because you're doing it on your own responsibility, and some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, especially downloaded from other places than Galaxy Store or Play Store. You might just put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. So if you wish, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the switcher next to the app or tap on Deny All. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.